In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add label names in Trello. If you've been using Trello for a while, you probably know that it offers labels for organizing your tasks, but they come as colored blocks with no names by default. This can make it tricky to remember what each color stands for. So, today, we're going to look at how you can personalize these labels by adding names, making your Trello boards more intuitive and organized. Let's start by navigating to a project you're working on. Any board with cards will do. Pick a card that you'd like to add or modify a label for and give it a click. You'll notice a menu pop up, and from here, you'll want to look for the Labels option. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with a variety of colorful labels. These labels are your tools for categorization. To add a label to a card, simply click the checkbox next to the color you prefer. This will apply the label's color to your card. It's a straightforward yet effective way to organize, especially if you're dealing with a large number of tasks. However, color coding without names can sometimes lead to confusion, which is why giving each of these labels a name can make a world of difference. To add a name to a label, look for the little pen icon next to each label in the list. This icon is your gateway to customization. Go ahead and click that pen icon, and you'll be taken to a small editing area. Here, you simply enter the name you wish to assign to that particular label. Maybe it's something like urgent, in progress, or completed. Pick whatever name resonates with the task. Once you've entered the name, make sure you hit Save to keep your changes. And there you have it. The label is not just a color anymore, but also a descriptor of the task's status or type. This small change will help in quickly identifying what's what at a glance, without needing to hover over each label to try and recall. Overall, this process allows for a more refined, effective way to keep tabs on your workflow. By spending just a few extra seconds to name your labels, you can transform your Trello boards into more coherent, efficient workspaces, helping not just yourself, but potentially your entire team stay better organized. And that's all there is to it. Adding names to your labels is a simple yet powerful way to improve your Trello experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your Trello boards become clearer and more organized with this little tip. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.